The one thing you always worry about when you've got a plastic greenhouse and a polytunnel is high winds, and this morning it's been pretty windy, so I've come over just to check everything's alright. So let's go and have a look. So all isn't well at the greenhouse, and the plastic has come off the roof, and I'm not sure how I'm going to put that back on. So yeah, I'm not too pleased about this. The polytunnel's fine, but these winds have had a terrible effect on the one panel in the greenhouse, which means it's no use to anything growing in it until I can get that sorted. Alright, so that's the greenhouse. Edges all put back in, apart from this one corner where I just couldn't straighten it out. So I think I will have to replace a panel in the greenhouse, which isn't great. I'm not sure where to get them from, but I'll find out.